guys, so got the laptop, got started on that, got that all set up. We're good to go. We're back in business. But now, your boys at Granatelli sent me a throttle body. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that throttle body on. And the first one they sent me, unfortunately, did not work. So they sent me another one. Let's hope that this one does work, because that 105 millimeter throttle body will be very helpful in terms of passing through so much additional boost that the Hellcat is running. So going out to the car now. I have the car sitting outside. The reason why this car is sitting outside, usually I put this car in the garage, where like right now I actually have Demonology's pickup truck, his diesel pickup truck, where this car would normally be, and I got the Hellcat sitting on the street. And the reason why the Hellcat's sitting on the street though is because Mod said let the sun bake in the wrap. Let it sit outside in the sun. This way the wrap could get baked in really good. So working on it right now. Disconnected the battery already. About to change out the throttle body. And yeah, let's get to it.
Alright y'all, so came out to the stoop just chilling. I was gonna ride out in the whip, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna just do it from here. It's easier this way. But let's call your girl Beauty. Come on Beauty, pick up. Pick up Beauty. Come on Beauty, pick up the phone. Pick up the phone, baby. Phone, baby. I know you're home, baby. What up?
I see that you're in money now, so I'm about to get this down.
What do you mean?
Like you got on like what? T-shirt and stuff? Like,
Yeah, I got on the t-shirt and shorts. But what you? But what you mean? I mean, why you dressed up?
Yeah.
I'm recording already, just so you know.
You a lie.
I'm dead ass. I'm dead ass right now.
Alright, I'm about to go get myself situated.
Alright, let me stop recording so that we could pick it. I'll pick it back up once she's recording too. You know what I mean? So that this way it could be seamless. Alright. Oh man, so we got your girl Beauty 392, Beauty 392B right now with your boy Mod2Fame. Thank you for taking the call. I really appreciate it, girl.
No problem, no problem.
From my understanding though, you know, word done traveled fast that I'm building out a team. And on that team, I want 3 of the best, most talented, real life, down to earth girls. Tell the people where you are. Tell them a little bit about yourself.
So I am located in New Orleans, Louisiana, born and raised. My page is actually about, you know, all things beauty and cars. So from a woman's perspective, it's not a lot of women, African American women, actually out here doing, you know, this car stuff. So yeah. I just want to shed light and put my little own twist upon things and give you guys something to look at. If
y'all really think that we should sign Beauty to the family, here's what I'm gonna need you to do. How many subscribers you got? I
have 767 right now, I believe. Last time I checked.
She can't come to New York unless she get 1,000.
Oh.
If she don't get to 1,000, she can't come to New York. So if y'all want her to come to New York, you know what you got to do. You got to get her to 1,000. So what is the name of your YouTube channel? Where could they find it? So
my YouTube channel is Beauty392B. You can find me on Instagram at Beauty392B. Facebook, I have a car Facebook page as well. All links is below. Every link is in my description in my video.
I'm gonna put it in my description too for her YouTube channel, because we're gonna focus on YouTube. You know what I mean, we need to make that happen. Get her to 1,000, and that's gonna really show me that we need to bring her to New York.
What's pretty cool is the factory throttle body is way smaller. It's actually but the intake is 105 millimeters. And the new throttle body is 105 millimeters. So this coupler that JLT sent me goes down to the factory throttle body, which I believe on Hellcats is 95, I think Hellcats are. So it steps down from 105 to 95, but I had to get a new coupler that keeps it 105 all the way across. We'll get this off, get that on. So for those of you that need a little reminder, this is a ported blower, ported by Joker's Performance. So we need as much airflow as possible to take advantage of these huge openings. We want the airflow to stay consistent and not have to go up and down, not very turbulent. Like you see how this is all smoothed out. Now this is all smoothed out. And now here's our Granatelli throttle body. This is a gasket to match. Sit that there. Sit that there so the wind doesn't blow it away. Our hardware kit for the throttle body. And this is our beautiful. Now, our ported blower is black, so you know we had to go with their black option throttle body. And it is pretty. I will say that. It's definitely pretty. Hold on. So you see that? It's a pretty throttle body. But let's hope it works, man. It really suck if it doesn't work again for a second time. So let's hope this one is good. All right, we're gonna get it on there in a second. First, I'm gonna put my coupler on because I'm gonna have to force it on because it's like exactly the size that it needs to be. So I'm gonna have to kind of force it on there, but we'll get it to work. And our throttle body is installed. It's on. So now we just gotta fit this coupler. It's gonna need some stretching, like I said. Fit this coupler, fit it on here, and we good to go. We'll start it up and see if it works. There we are, fully installed. Intake is back on. Throttle body is on, plugged in. Now we do the throttle relearn process. Well, connect back the battery and then do the throttle relearn process and take it from there. Man, I hope this works. Please work, please work. It works! It works! Yo! Alright, so the last time I did this, as soon as I put the power on to the ignition, I got the lightning bolt. So there's a lightning bolt that shows up there whenever there's an issue with the throttle. So I would get that lightning bolt each time, and that's not there anymore, man. And it's idling. It wouldn't idle before. It wouldn't do nothing. Uh-oh. There we go. It works. It works, baby. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, God. God, it works. Thank God. If y'all hear a little stutter, that's E85 for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Like, you hear that little stutter? But after it warms up, it's fine. It doesn't continue to do that. See? It's already smoothing out. It's already smoothing out. That's E85. Don't worry, guys. But it works. It works. It works. It works. Damn. And it is a new day. We are here at In-Track Tire. We're here at In-Track Tire because we are now going to install a few more goodies to get the kitty ready for kill mode. Everything that we're doing right now is in the name of getting ready for kill mode. The throttle body and what we're installing right now, let me show you. Hold on. I tell you, man, this car, man, I just can't get over how good it looks. Yeah, guys, so what we're doing is we are actually changing the idler pulley and the lower idler pulley. The reason why we're changing the idler pulleys is because if you look right here, it's kind of hard to see, but if I wipe my finger here, let me see. I'm gonna wipe my finger there, and you see that? That's called belt dust. The reason why we're getting belt dust is because we're getting a very little bit of belt slip. Now, there was one time before I had the wrong belt on, and I got hella belt dust. So it's a very slight slip, mostly in the high RPMs. Once you start to get up in the RPMs, it starts to slip and let go. So what we're actually installing today is the Metco idler pulleys, which are larger and they have more grip. So if you look at them side by side, you can really see the difference. That larger pulley is going to tighten up on the belt and give it that better grip so that we don't get that belt slip. All right, so let's get those on. All right, guys, so I recently learned, I called JLT, right, because I need to replace my filter. My filter is dirty, so I wanted to replace it. I had washed it a little bit. I didn't wash it, I blew it out, blew out the dirt. But what I learned is that JLT filters, the one that comes in the kit, is oiled. The filter is oiled. Now, the purpose for an oiled filter is not for performance, but gives you the ability, you know, for a lifetime filter. It gives you the ability to wash the filter, let it dry, and then re-oil it, and then you can get another lifespan out of that filter when you buy the wash and oiling kit. Here's why that's scary though. That's scary because these blowers suck in a lot of air. And the last thing you really want in your blower is oil. You want it to be clean, clear. So they have an option for an oil-based filter or a dry filter. If you look around the edges here, you could actually see the oil where it started to like oil should not be here. I couldn't figure out why there was oil in my filter. I'm like, why is it oil around here? So that means that maybe not like right now, it's not too bad, but there, in my last blower, there was a good amount of oil in that blower, like oil residue. So I'm hopeful that by going to their dry filter, you know, I don't ever have to worry about that again. The difference is though, with a dry filter, once it's dirty, you have to replace it. You can't wash it and reuse it. You got to replace it. Their filters are $70 each. But I'll be honest with you, with a car that's not like daily driven, I don't really think that's an issue. I just ordered a filter anyway. So if it lasts me as long as this one did, I'll be fine with the dry. Just something to think about the next time you're about to order your intake for your Hellcat. Or for, you know, pretty much a regular engine, don't really matter as much, but a supercharged engine that's pulling all that oil into the blower, you probably don't want to go that route. So just let them know when you order your intake that you prefer to have it with a dry filter, especially if your car is upgraded like this one is. All right, guys, we're all done. We're all done. Everything is done. Idle pulley is done. The spark plugs looked amazing. They were so clean, nice. Everything is perfect. So now it's just time to fire it up and let it run a little bit. God, it runs so clean and nice. And we installed our black wheels now. Hold on, I'll back up so y'all can see it. That looks so much better. The bronze was really clashing. But we did gloss black. I know a lot of you are gonna say, why didn't you do matte black like the stripes? Or the rear drag wheels are matte black. But to me, man, the gloss just looks so much cleaner. Matte black wheels, they look dirty really fast. Whereas gloss kind of repels the dirt a little bit better. So they look cleaner longer. Woo. Can't wait to see this on the street. And here she is, guys. All beautiful in black. No pun intended. But look at it, man. That made a huge difference. That bronze, it was dope. It was cool or whatever for when the car was red, the bronze wheels. But I'm sorry. This right here looks killer. Just look at that. That looks killer, bro. Man, I'm so excited to actually take this car out. I'm gonna probably take it out tonight and do some pulls. What we're actually doing is we're gonna go in stages, right? So when I get home, I'm gonna pull the file off of my Diablo tuner. I'm gonna send it to Team Hellcat, and he's gonna make some adjustments. And what we're gonna do is take it up little bit by little bit. Right now it's on 14 degrees of timing. We're probably gonna bump that at first to 17 to see how it responds, what it does on 17 degrees of timing. And then after that, we're gonna bump it to 19 degrees of timing, then 21 degrees of timing. So basically, with the exception of the 14 to 17, all the other increments are gonna be in 2s. In addition to that, we're gonna raise the RPM to 6,900 so that this way I could stretch them gears out, man. That's the name of the game. We gotta live up to the name. The name of this car is Supercar Slayer. Now, I'm not gonna be racing stock supercars. Don't think that I'm gonna be out here, I'm doing all this work. My car was already faster than most stock supercars anyway. I wanna race the supercharged ones that were started out as NA. I wanna race the cars that are tuned and downpiped. I wanna race the modified ones and be able to beat the modified supercars with my modified 6-speed Hellcat. So that's the name of the game. That's what we into, guys. Thank you for joining this video right here. If you like it, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, hit that bell notification so you don't miss no more videos going forward. Make sure you visit Mod2Fame.com to get the best merch, because we dropping it heavy. We dropping new merch all the time. I might even add something like this. I am dad goals. Yo, that's right. I'm a proud papa right now. First kid, so you know everything is extra. First parents are always extra about everything, so why would I be any different? But anyway, guys, it's your boy Stefan in here in this nice supercar slayer blue Hellcat. We out.